on, guys? Back at it again. Today we're doing some approximately 1-inch lowering springs on the old S4. And while we're in there, we're gonna throw in some EBC yellow brake pads. So stay tuned.
Get in there!
Get in there! Ooh. Off with the winters. Alright, to start here, we're going to take these 3 bolts off. That'll lower it from the strut tower. Down underneath, we have to loosen or take this bolt out for the end link. The one down here will loosen up in the back here. Then we'll take the bottom bolt out, come up here, take this bolt completely out, and then this whole assembly will drop down and you'll be able to get the shock out and then be able to swap the spring. So we got the new spring in there, wasn't too bad. Now onto the other side. Now we're on to the rear. Back here, we already did the other side. We found out we gotta take out this bolt, this one up here, and then we took out the bolt for the shock, and then we were able to lower the whole lower control arm down enough to get the spring out, but it's kind of sketchy. You can only fit 1 spring compressor on there, but it's just enough to like get it wiggled out, so it works. All right, so we got it all back together. With the stock spring out, you can actually use a pry bar to, I guess, get leverage on the lower control arm, and then you can put the aftermarket spring right in place without having to compress it. So that was pretty nice. So it's all back together.